Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Gupta and I have taken admission in Delhi School of Economics, and I am currently in my first semester of DSE studying Masters in Economics. So this is a short video regarding the analysis of the test series which I took from OPUS. So yes, the test series which I took helped me a lot, and it helped me to analyze the topics which were available, which was mentioned in the syllabus. It also helped me to track even a minute part or a topic in a syllabus. Apart from that, it also helped me to identify the strength and the weakness of mine related to a topic. And multiple questions provided by the institute improved my confidence as well. Apart from this, Mr. Ishan sir and Miss Swati ma'am helped me a lot in my journey because they were available to me 24/7, and anyone can reach to them in case you need any help. So yeah, please reach to them if you need any help or assistance. Thank you, Swati ma'am and Ishan sir, for being a part of my journey. Thank you, everyone.